Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am Mirza Waraida. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to create your own custom design and upload it to Printify for print on demand. If you're ready to start your own POD business or just want to create personalized items for yourself, this tutorial is for you. So, let's dive right in. First, Canva is a great option for beginners because it's free and easy to use. Or, if you want to be more advanced, you can use tools like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. Just make sure your design is high resolution. 300 dpi is perfect for printing. Step 2 is choosing the product you want to print on. Once you're logged into Printify, click on Create New Product and browse through their catalog. They offer a wide range of items from clothing to home decor. Let's pick a t-shirt for this example. Now, for step 3, it's time to upload your design. After selecting your product, you'll be taken to the design editor. Click Add Your Design and choose the file you just created. Position it on the product the way you want it to appear, and make sure it fits perfectly within the print area. Step 4 is all about the preview. Once your design is placed, Printify will generate a preview of how your product will look. Check to make sure everything looks good and fits properly. Happy with it? Awesome. Now, it's time to set your pricing. Printify lets you adjust your profit margin based on the cost of the product. Finally, step 5 is publishing your product. You can connect your Printify account to platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or WooCommerce. With one click, your product will be listed for sale on your store. It's really that simple. And that's it. You've just uploaded your own custom design to Printify and are ready to sell it as a print-on-demand product. It's a fantastic way to start a side hustle or build a full-on business with zero inventory costs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to grow your business. And as always, feel free to drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.